Sleep. Sleep. He didn't need his clothes anyways. It's fine. Really, see, he's fine. I just gave him a hug from the wrong outfit. Alright, yeah. Oh no, I didn't mean to murder him! He's fine, he's just sleeping. He's just sleeping. I have a bust. Someone's getting hit with this. Buddy? It's time to get busty. Alright. Okay. Excuse me. Come with me. That's such a bad joke. I had to, though. You understand? I had to. Hey, 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 hey. Everything is fine. Nobody's hurt. I'm security. Or, as my thing says, securite. Excuse me.
You gotta be kidding.
That was a problem. Hey, buddy. Don't mind me. I just, I seem to have dropped my screwdriver. You know, it happens. We're fine. Just poison his food while I'm in front of him. Interesting.
Back off a little, buddy. You're starting to freak me out.
I'm starting to what? I'm starting to what? What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it, huh? 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 What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? This guy's all bark and no bite. Look at him. What are you gonna do, huh? Dude, he's the one being rude. I just walked over to say hi to him.
Take a couple steps back, it would set my mind at rest.
You know, I just walked up to him and he's all like in my face, like trying to be mean. Like, you know, why you gotta mess with me, man? Is it because I have no hair? Can't poison that either. He's trying to eat his dinner. He was done with his dinner. He was just sitting there on his... I guess he's not done with his dinner. Never mind. I guess he's still going. Alright, my bad. He's still heavily engaged in the dinner aspect. I was wrong. There is another option, you know. I don't have to walk away. I'm somewhat tempted. Do I? I could. Do I? Let's see. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Let's see. Can I poke out of here and... No, I can't.
That was gunshots. We gotta see what I can easy now. What the sidearm now is good.
You don't know where I am. You
Look, I don't want to shoot you, but if you don't do as I say, I will. Got it? You've got 3 seconds to lose the weapon or I'll pop off, okay?
Nobody knows where I am.
2, 1. Take him down, boys. I gotta get that piece of shit. Yep.
Oh no, they know where I am! They know where I am! They know where I am! Ah! Oh no, I think the game crashed. Oh. Did the game crash? Or just... Nope, I just hit a wrong button. I freaked out so much. Alright. Doski. Alright, this is why I saved. Beep, boop, boop, beep. Oh, he just watched me do that. Okay. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. This ended bad. This ended very bad. Who could have thought that he would turn around and just, like, go beep boop, though? Oh. Dear. How sad for him. We're good. See, it's all going according to plan. Just gonna... Oh! No, please don't do that. Do this. See, and that's like a natural state of affairs for certain people, so I think it'll be alright. They'll wake up and one will blame the other for something, and you know, it'll be okay. I've murdered like 10 people and now I feel a little guilty. Yeah, I mean, you know, the other guys had it coming. Oh, she wants to be alone. Yeah, broski, I know, man. Like, they're totally dropping it, dude. Bro. I don't feel bad. That guy saved a zebra? I don't think he saved a zebra. I think he was just like a zebra owner. Like, let's think about this. Like, perhaps he was a zebra owner, but the zebra he rescued was happy in the wild. And, you know. You know.
Close to the virus.
Oh man, dude. Ah yes. Nope, 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 nope. Ah! That door was not okay. We're fine. We're fine. Alright. Oh, one of them was a gardener. Oh no! There's more of them! Run away, run away, run away! That door. Ah! Oh, this is not good! This is not good, this is not good! Another gardener killed in a senseless act of wanton violence. Listen, man, he shouldn't have been coming at me.
That is super
Ah, it was too easy! Oh, I think I did a bad thing by freaking him out. Oh, he threw a grenade at me! Stay down, please. I don't want to have to hurt you. Serpentine! Serpentine! Oh no! How bad? Ah! Alright. We're fine. Oh. What was that? Excuse me. Alright. Anyone else? Oh, jeez! Ugh. Any more guards? Oh. This has gone somewhat poorly. This has gone somewhat poorly. Somewhat poorly. Somewhat very bad. Oh. Among Us. It's Among Us now. Yep. Excuse me.
What are you looking at?
Alright. Sir? What?
We might have a situation.
He just... They walked through the door. Okay. Boom!
All objectives complete. Now head towards an exit.
Oh man! I didn't think that was gonna work! I didn't think that was gonna work! Oh, there's an exit right here too. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright. Alright. Oh. Oh, dude, this guy's building a gaming chair.
5
Hey, buddy.
smaller screws.
What sort of gaming chair you know?
It says.
What are you doing there with your hands? Oh, I'm
Why
sorry.
would he be doing that?
I don't know why he would be doing that. Who are you talking to? Are you alright?
Yes, hello. This is, well, I'm calling from the Swedish consulate in Marrakesh.
How's it going, bud?
You want to move away arm's length, buddy? That'd be great.
Alright. Jeez, I'm just asking about this guy's gaming chair, but... Oh. This is gonna be awkward. Oops! I was hoping he was something I didn't have, but... Alright, that's fine. Just gonna... No, please. I need this. I need this to close. Give massage. Well, I guess we do this, right?
Ah, that's the ticket. I tell you, nothing makes you tense like
Alright, this is creepy.
people wanting to kill you.
Yeah?
Target down. Next up, raise the Zaydan.
Feeling relaxed today, sir?
Oh man! Oh, his head! Oh, I feel bad. Where'd I leave that uniform? I had a soldier uniform. That was a heck of a lot of fun. I did not think it was going to be as fun as it was, so I will definitely be doing this again. Probably going to continue it on, well, next Wednesday. I guess I'll keep it a pattern. So thank you guys all for tuning in and, stopping by and saying hello. I really appreciate it. I had a great time, and I hope you did as well. So I'm going to go ahead and end the stream, and I hope you guys have a really good night. See ya.